Mari Mari Cultural Village. Mari is Malay for come. When I say Mari Mari, that means come come. When we go inside, we're going to be visiting 5 ethnic tribe houses, the 5 largest tribes here in Sabah. We're going to have a small welcoming ceremony with the village leader. So for this, we're going to need a group leader of our own. Please come forward. Right everyone, this here is Miss Deanna. Let's give her a big clap. She's going to be our leader. Oh, no one has any...
Why? Oh! Namasaki nakatua kampung sini.
My name is Aki, son of the chieftain.
Ba't pa datang sini?
What are you doing here?
I'm traveling and making videos for YouTube.
Siapa kabawan eh?
And who are these people with you?
My friends?
Kau boleh jaga ka?
Can you take care of them?
Yes.
Bagus, bagus. Jadi sa benar kan kamu masuk.
Good. I allow you in my village.
Dan sa harap ko dapat belajar pasal budaya kami sini.
And I hope you can happily learn our culture here.
Thank
Masuklah,
you.
kansain mo tong.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Mari Mari. Mari Mari everyone.
Yeah.
Now for the Bajals, whenever they have a wedding, the whole village, a week before the wedding, they would play all the musical instruments. You know, back then they couldn't send any Facebook invites to the wedding. So play really loud music. Anyone who heard the music was considered invited to the wedding. So we use bamboo right here. And inside, we put a bit of banana leaf. And right here are all our ingredients. Mix all of it inside. Put it over fire. And this one takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook. When it's done, we chop the bamboo in half instantly to get to the inside.
Whoa.
There you go. Little piece of rice one. And right here is the Murut go-to weapon. This is both a spear and a blowpipe. We're shooting at that coconut over there.
So wait, you hold it down here?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you blow out here?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. That's pretty good.
You got it? Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's good! Hey, look at the coconut!
You did it before I did. Fishnet cookie. Now, ingredients include a bit of rice flour and sugar mixed with water. Then you'll have this sort of mixture. So mix it with water and then they cook it using coconut oil. And then they fold it into a triangular shape. The bajau, they believe the triangle is the symbol of unity. That's why you see a lot of triangles around. This one takes about a minute or so to make. And then you'll have these guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Our cultural performance will start with a welcoming dance from Mari Mari, comprising of the 5 tribes that you have just visited.